Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 23 of Inktober. I've asked the lovely people over on Instagram which recipe I should illustrate next, and few people asked for something sweet. So today I'm illustrating a chocolate fudge brownie. For reference I used recipe from Cooking Tree and the link for the video is in the description box below. Also, if you're not already following me over on Instagram, then do follow, I will leave the link below. The best brownie I've ever tasted are the ones my friend Kim makes. If this is the first of one of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 22 other videos for you, and I've added the playlist in the description box and also at the end of this video. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.